All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be wrapping the A-pillar, A-frame. I'm going to be wrapping this. I got the black wrap over there somewhere, and this is going to be my first time wrapping a car, so we'll see how it goes, but let's get into it. All right, guys, the first thing that I need to do is get this cleaned up. So I have water. I just have some dish Dawn soap mixed in with water in the spray bottle, and first I'm going to clean the A-frame. All right, now that I cleaned it with the soapy water, I'm actually going to go over with a clay bar now to get any little specks off. And I'll get a close-up up over here. I got some paint that was from the previous owner that got splattered up on it. So hopefully this takes it off. All right, as you can see, there's a little, those black specks all over the A-frame. So hopefully this will take it off. People actually say to use this on glass first. Take me down to the paradise city where we all smoke green and the girls are pretty, even with no makeup on.
No, you don't need that makeup.
Take me back to the time and place where the music still rocks and the people weren't fake. Oh, won't you please let me hold.
Come on, put in the time.
All right, guys, I got my wrap here. I got an X-Acto knife. I got an application tool, and I have a heat gun sitting over there in my freezer, which is too far away to get right now.
Cause it's worth it. Back against the wall, playing suey tennis balls can't murk 'em. We Steve Urkel, we keep working on what matters to the family. TGIF circ, I'm hurting, but I'm never dropping the ball. Opposite of Ed Reed, but he's stopping them all. I deliver the goods, I keep dropping them off. Ain't been paid, still never taking a loss. Bob Frost with the travels, my road stay dirty. Even if I whisper, I know you still heard me. Truth resonates, my words are Watergate. Put that shit on tape.
All right, everyone. My wife's on the phone, so I'm going to be back here doing my part of my video right here. So right now, I installed it crooked, so I'm actually going to have to cut part of it out, and on the bottom left, I'm going to have to do a second part on it.
Woodward and Bernstein burned him with his own words against him. Think before I speak, turgid defenseman. Lurid with your words and it's patently absurd. Hand up your ass, your puppeteer's Jim Henson. I might be a grouch, but I ain't no slouch. 7 foot with a straight back, fuck your couch. Rick James spit flames, crazy like Britney. I'm trying to keep my lid on, Lucas can't get me. Wow. Take me down to the paradise city where we all smoke green and the girls are pretty. Yep. Even with no makeup. Alright guys, this is the finished product. I'll give you guys a little quick walk around and show you everything. It is by far perfect. It is honestly pretty bad. It makes sense that this was my first time. Really looks like it. But yeah, let me show you guys it around. Alright, so first up, this is where I did the splice. You can definitely tell that where the splice isn't that great. There are bumps, as you can see, all over there. Some scratches on it. Not that bad up top. Over here on the passenger side, you can see that I made a mistake while cutting the trim off here. You can see the silver up on the inside. It looks fine on this pillar though, and up over the top, it is pretty clear. So it's mainly just the driver's side where at the end it was off-centered and I had to rework it a bunch, that it was getting pretty poor. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. Not perfect like I showed you, but not bad for my first time. Learn a bunch of stuff and can probably only improve from here. But anyway, if you guys like this content, want to see more, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this if you want, put it on notifications to know when I post a new video. But if you got any tips for me or what you want to see me do next, please leave a comment. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later. Now you show me, you twerk it. Oh, laid an egg. Shat myself. Would you rather? What's the would you rather? Would you rather twerk it?
No, wait, you asked me that. Would you rather lay an egg once a month or have a period?
Oh, have a period, yeah.
Hands down, lay an egg.
What if it's like a human-sized egg? Like it's a literal baby. Like basically.
Is it as painful as childbirth?
I don't know. How painful is birthing?
Painful.
I mean, not birthing a child. How painful is it for a chicken to?
I have no idea.
Yeah.
How can we quantify that? Or qualify?
I don't know. You guys know. a comment if you guys know. Also, would you rather? Can you eat it for food? Anyway.